Gerti, thank you for stepping by here in our pop-up studio.
Pleasure.
Before we start, tell us briefly who you are and what you do.
Sure. I'm Gerti Mitre. I am one of the founders of Facilization. We're a technology company that focuses on the financial services vertical. I personally have worked for the better part of the last 20 years in digital transformation projects, so I'm very keen on helping financial institutions go through the journey, which is nowadays becoming, more and more a fact.
Right. Okay. And then we just heard from Prasad from Oracle that Facilization is one of the key partners for implementing the Oracle Financial Suite solution. Help me understand, what is the core value proposition or the market differentiator that you bring to the local markets where you operate in partnership with Oracle?
So Oracle needs no introduction. So they're a global conglomerate, and they offer scalable and secure solutions. But there's always the matter of offering a solution and not just a product. So Oracle's product has to combine a number of jurisdictions and has to work well in a number of jurisdictions. What we do is we combine that product into an offering for a customer that is specific to localized for the area where they operate in. So take, for example, Lithuania. So we take Oracle's product, and then on top of it, we have all the integrations with the regulatory authorities, regulatory reporting, PICE, tax authority reporting. All of this is already built in as an accelerator pack to actually allow banks and financial institutions to have a fast time to market, and at the same time, reduce risk of implementations by having a local partner that can help them on this transformation journey.
Right. Now, I myself have worked in banks, and I've seen the pain that can be caused from trying to make core banking replacement. So how does the local knowledge that you have, plus the experience of working with Oracle, helps remove some of that risk of such a laborious project as a core banking transformation project?
That's a very good point. That's actually a discussion I have frequently in my line of work. I would highlight two major points. So just touching back on what I just said, so one aspect that we think we simplify our customers' lives is by bringing these accelerator packs, we call them, that are localized. We have accelerator packs for Malta, for Lithuania, and for a few other jurisdictions in the EU. And what we mean by an accelerator pack is that you take up Oracle's solution, and then the parameterization, implementation details, integration details, we provide as a blueprint that's already there. Mm-hmm. So that takes away a lot of the risk that you mentioned of such long-term projects. And on the other hand, I think the last big bang go live that we had was more than 5 years ago. Nobody is doing big bang for the same reasons that you rightly mentioned. There's a lot of risk involved with it. Oracle's new generation architecture that has been built from the ground up to be scalable, but also componentized, both from a technology but also from a commercial perspective, allows financial institutions to take a stepwise approach to modernization. So one big bang project is now 3, 4, 5 smaller scope project. Makes their life easier. Their decision making is also easier. So undertaking such a big project, usually even decision making gets drawn out. So we think that's where we bring the most value with our experience. We have a consultative approach to these implementation projects. I also used to work in a commercial bank before joining Facilization, so I understand the pains of the banker quite well, having been in their shoes before. But I think we've had a lot of success with our accelerator packs in the recent years.
Right, okay. Now, how is the partnership with Oracle contributing towards the ongoing transformation of the industry, especially in the markets where we are at the moment, the Baltics, Lithuania, and perhaps other markets in the region?
Well, how I see it is that in Lithuania, a lot of the financial institutions are innovative ones, so fintechs, most of them, and I think fintechs have come a bit under pressure with the changes in cost of capital, the rising interest rates, but they have shown time and time again that there is a real need for their services. So they're still doing well from a business perspective, which is very good to see. Mm-hmm. So they were not just, so they're actually filling a need of the market. We are very keen to work, with fintechs. Oracle's new generation architecture is very componentized and scalable, like I mentioned. It doesn't need to be an enterprise solution that you have to adopt to do everything. It can be if you want it to, but it doesn't have to. We are very keen to work on specific areas, like take, for example, instant payments. We have a solution that combines Oracle's products together with our accelerator pack on top that is ready to integrate with Centralink. We've been using it with great success, not only with fintechs that are physically based in Lithuania. There's quite a few EMIs and PSPs that passport their services to Lithuania who are our customers through Centralink. So we've been offering the same product. So this can be used as a, let's say, shorter time to market and less reduced risk of implementation, and basically simplify the customers' lives and simplify their decision making. They're not just getting a product that they will have to take up and then make it play well with their existing systems, but they're getting an end-to-end solution that will take care of this payment rail from beginning to end. This is how I think we add value.
Right. All right, Gerti, just to close out, I'll ask you the same question I asked Prasad. We're here, it's a half day gone through on the FinTech Day. What's been your key takeaway?
It was my first time actually taking part. My key takeaway was I didn't expect this many people or this big of a turnout. I think definitely next time you need a much bigger venue. I was very happy. I was also a panelist on the payments panel, Payments 2.0 panel. It was very exciting, and I had a very good time, and there's still time. I'm still looking forward to meeting more people and really understanding what's driving the business here in Lithuania.
Indeed, absolutely. Well, Gerti, have a great rest of the conference, and thank you so much for taking time to speak to us. Thank you.